Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Peace on Earth stamp set, as well as the paper called Peaceful Garden. You can't get this until September 3rd. But I'm sure that you have a lot of other supplies in your stash that you can make this card similarly. So we're starting off with a 3x3 square piece of basic white. The designer series paper is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. This little piece that I'm crumpling up is designer series paper as well. It's 3/4 wide and 1 3/4 inches long or tall. So, and it's more of a plain kind of a paper. And I'm just trying to, you could emboss this if you wanted. I'm just trying to add a little bit more interest. There's a couple of little pieces of paper that are used for this card. The next one is size 3 1/4 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall. And here we have a piece of basic white that I'm going to pull in the sticker sheet for the Peaceful Garden. You know how since Stampin' Up took over, close to my heart, now we have a whole bunch of scrapbooking products and they include sticker sheets and they're fun, and I'm just going to show you this piece or the tag, I should say. I'm making a tag, so the tag is 3 1/4 inches long and 1 3/4 inches wide, and I'm just following the lead of the tag here, snipping off the ends. I'm stamping with the Love, and that is Misty Moonlight, I believe, and then I also have Balmy Blue too for the sentiment, and it just says Sending Love. I'm going to pull that sticker sheet back in. We have a little golden heart here, and I just thought I would put that in there. You know what? I was getting my card detailed today, and I was reading a book, and I surely could have used this little bookmark, if you will. So anyway, it's just a little tag. I do put in this ribbon, which is the beige, basic beige ribbon. And anyway, I hated it, and then I cut it even shorter, and then I hated that. So off screen, I just put linen thread in, and I liked it better. So, you know, I don't always have the right ideas here all the time. But anyway, you'll see that in the still pictures at the end of the video. So I'm just trimming down the ribbon, and again, I will trim it down even further, and I liked it even less. So anyway, so here is the sentiment. It says, all the best in your new adventure. I'm inking up firstly with Balmy Blue, and then I'm tapping the bottom new adventure in the darker Misty Moonlight. This gives 2 different colors on your stamp, and if you're careful and with placement, it's all the rage. You know, the kids are doing it now. Anyway, I put adhesive on the back of that basic white, and I'm just sort of affixing this. I don't know, about 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch on the side, and I am using my little square for placement. And then I'm putting this little rectangle down. I'm just trying to fit everything so it looks cohesive. All of these papers come from the Peaceful Garden. Again, you'll be able to get that September 3rd. I've asked my team what they think of all the papers and everything coming out, and there's, you know, was a wide variety of answers, but a lot of people said that this was their favorite. So it's universal. You can use it for her holiday, you can use it for birthday, whatever, and I'm using it for sort of like a new adventure card. All right, so I'm going to place the dimensionals specifically in a C shaping here, and I'm going to leave this side open so that you can slip that little bookmark or tag or whatever you want to call it in. So I'm flipping that square over. We're going to tuck that right in, and that is the card for today. So I'm not going to leave the supplies because I can't link them, but I've mentioned them enough, so you'll be able to jot the notes down. And on September 3rd, you can come to my store and shop your heart's content. I also have a paper share going. You can go to my blog, sunstampin.com, and you can click on the share page. If you're in Canada, I'd love for you to join. Anyway, thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. And I forgot to mention the card base is cloud cover, and those embellishments are called Hues of Blue Flowers. All right, you guys. See you later. Bye for now.